All right, everyone, here's that video I promised you in 2 days. Hey, I'm not gonna leave you hanging. Here we go. All right, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. Hey, if any new content or anything on this bike you want to see, you definitely let me know in the bottom in the comments. I'll make sure you get a chance to see it. Now, as you see today, I got my helmet out. I got the clear screen on. I like to drive clear at night. Hey, I'm safety first. You guys will be seeing a video coming up pretty soon of me showing all my gear. Matter of fact, that one we're gonna let that one drop Friday. Let's drop it Friday. Okay, all right, I'll go get all that gear and I'll drop it Friday. You guys see that little light on the back of that helmet? No worries, I'll tell you all about it on this Friday. All right, so we're gonna show off some of these wheels I put on here. Look at those accessories. Got the pops in with the label, and no worries, I'm gonna edit this thing a little bit. Pause for a second and show you guys how I put this on. They pop right in. It's just a little tender. Don't force them because it looks like you can easily break these clips on them. They definitely give it a different look. Yep, it's just that easy. Let me stop. All right, we got the decal wheels. Like I said, this was $29.99. It's 3 pieces of plastic, tape, stickers, whatever you want to call it. I cleaned this side with alcohol already. Now we're gonna see how this go. Since I only got 3, I gotta make sure I get on the right one time to get it right. I'm gonna do it the right way. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. This is no fun putting this on. None at all. Very nerve-wracking. Let's see how bump it. See what it is. Well, that went on a lot easier than the back wheel. The back wheel with them bends and curves, not going so easy. Well, then again, let's double check first. Yeah, that went on a lot easier. Not smooth. What I just had to learn the hard way is it's 2 different sides. You got a long one because the back wheel got a curve and it's longer in the back. And you got a 2 short ones. So make sure you get the right one. Just line it up. Once you know you got it lined up, start baby smoothing it out. Last thing you want to do is get an air bubble in it. Remember, it's a sticker, so you got one chance to put it on. Okay, so I did get a chance to actually put my mount on because I ordered the mount from the dealership. And since they took all day and they didn't have my red panels in for my bike, they felt a little sorry for me and they installed it. Am I mad? No, because I got a professional install it. They say you can do it yourself, but I just didn't get a chance to experience that one. So everything else I will be doing myself. But so that's that for the mount. It's already on, so that won't be in the video. Keep in mind, I got the seat, and I will be switching these panels off for the red ones. There we go. Now that's the comfort seat, as you see here. Still got the stock. I seen someone put one of these in, and it looks like a lot of work. I got mine at the house right now. Stay tuned. I'll let you know when I put it on. You definitely be the first to see. I like that passenger seat. My wife rode on. We took a little 1-hour drive. No complaints. Like I said, I'm a pretty long guy, so I had to get off the scratch myself, but we rode the whole first hour, no complaints. She loved it. There's a little thing right here. I'll tell you all about it this Friday. No worries. No worries. Here we go. Here we go. That holds my phone. Gotta get the red. Like I said, I'm going black and red with the scheme on this thing. Got the foot pads all the way forward. This thing. You guys full walk around before we talk about these accessories. The only thing I don't like that Can-Am did was you made me buy this machine, and then you decided not to give me the lights that match these. Like, now you're gonna make me pay $100 just so I get the light to match these. You know I'm coming for it. I'm definitely going for the $100 lights. Stay tuned. I'm gonna put the $100 lights in. I'm going for all LED. Those lights are a little brown at nighttime. No worries. I plan on showing you guys some footage of this thing at nighttime too. So stay tuned for that. And I will be the first to say that these foot pegs, when they pop out, it makes the screen show up. It shows exactly that you got an extra passenger on. It's got a little dirt on the tires. I need to wash it off. Riding no tag, haven't got a tag yet. I'm using my full 20 days before I get my tag. Okay, let's jump back into the accessories. Look at that. Why would they do that? See those LEDs over to the right? See how those are orange? Come on. I mean, good money on the thing. At least it went in through the $100 light bulbs in, but I understand, need to make money. So here we go. I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna install them. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it was, how hard it was. Never know. But we'll see. They're already on the way. And this thing will be glowing up at nighttime when I get done. You guys stay tuned. I got something in store for you guys. Hopefully come this weekend so I can put it on for the weekend. So we'll see. But stay tuned. The next video is gonna post in 2 days. We're gonna post one for Friday. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys a lot more content with this thing. So just stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that subscribe. A little late in the evening view, so you can see the color. See how it hits. So that's how it looks with the seat up. Looks good. Like I said, I spent over $1,000 on the gear that I actually ride with. And I'm gonna show you guys that in the next few videos here. I would tell you what order, but let's make it a surprise.